Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically hide something from your videos by blurring it out, whether or not it's like a package that you want to kind of blur or like a personal information. I'm just going to use this newspaper as like an example. So basically copy and paste it, and on this one you're going to type in the blur effect. Then you're going to add it to your overlay. I'm just going to use this one. Adjust the blur a little bit if you'd like to. Then select the overlay video like the other one. Get a mask and select rectangle or any shape. And just cover up whatever like you want. Maybe I want to cover up this photo, for instance. So I'm just going to mask it like this. Then I'm going to feather it out just a little bit so that it has like a little bit of a cleaner edge. Just maybe make it a little bit larger, like so it covers that up. You can also do it with the mosaic one instead of the blur. So just type in mosaic, and here I'm going to go back to basic, go to effects, and delete this one. Then I'm going to add in the mosaic one instead. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!